In today's video, how to add poll to your Instagram post. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. You can add it from Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom of screen to create new post. Select picture from your gallery. Once you selected picture, click on next at the top right corner. Edit your picture as desired and click on next again. On screen where you write caption, you will see an option to write caption or add poll. Click on this option. If you only want to write caption, just type in. To add poll, click on poll next to caption box, and this will turn your caption into poll question. Enter your poll question, input the options for poll. You can add multiple options if you want to. Once you input all options, click on next. And after adding poll, share a post by clicking on share. Post may take a few seconds to upload depending on your network connection. Once post is live, you can check comment section to see poll. People will be able to vote the poll directly in the comment section. You can also retract or remove your vote if needed.